We are getting some big breaking news at this point in time. We have the first official reaction coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party. It is not from Aam Aadmi Party's official handle. It is actually from a leader in the Aam Aadmi Party, Anurag Dhanda. In fact, he has put out a long post on social media platform X, wherein he is trying to give a reason behind this decision by the party as far as the removal of Raghav Chadha is concerned from the post of the deputy leader in the Rajya Sabha. So this is the post, in fact, that has been put out by Anurag Dhanda of the Aam Aadmi Party. And I'm just going to read out the most important part from this one. He says, हम केजरीवाल के सिपाही हैं, निडरता पहली पहचान है हमारी, कोई मोदी से डर जाए तो लड़ेगा क्या देश के लिए. So he is trying to suggest perhaps Raghav Chadha is scared of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, because according to him, according to this post by Anurag Dhanda, Raghav Chadha has never said anything against Modi government. He goes on to say, संसद में थोड़ा सा समय मिलता है बोलने को पार्टी का, उसमें या तो देश बचाने का संघर्ष कर सकते हैं या फिर एयरपोर्ट कैंटीन में समोसे सस्ते करवाने का. Now this is a dig at Raghav Chadha, because viewers, Raghav Chadha has been repeatedly raising issues that concern the people of this country, that concern the Aam Aadmi. But Anurag Dhanda here is trying to suggest that whatever he has said is perhaps not important. He should have focused on saving the country instead of talking about, people's issues. Now, this is another very, very important that has come in. We have, in fact, another reaction coming in from Aam Aadmi Party. Listen in.
राघव भाई, अभी आपका वीडियो देखा. हम सब लोग अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के सिपाही हैं और हमने तो एक ही बात सीखी थी, जो डर गया समझो मर गया. हम सबको तो लोगों के मुद्दे उठाने थे सरकार की आंख में आंख डाल के. पिछले कुछ दिनों में हमने देखा, जो भी कोई सीरियस मुद्दे सरकार के खिलाफ उठाता है, सरकार से प्रश्न पूछता है, लोगों की बात करता है, सरकार डिक्टेटर की तरह उसको तमाम सोशल मीडिया पर बैन कर रही है. चाहे वो ट्विटर हो, चाहे वो फेसबुक हो, चाहे वो यूट्यूब हो, सब जगह बैन किया जा रहा है. FIR दर्ज कराई जा रही है, मुकदमे किए जा रहे हैं. सरकार को इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि कोई सॉफ्ट PR अपनी पार्लियामेंट में करे, क्योंकि पार्लियामेंट में एक छोटी सी पार्टी का बड़ा लिमिटेड टाइम होता है. उसमें अगर कोई समोसों की बात उठा रहा है तो उससे ज़रूरी है कि देश के बड़े मुद्दों की बात उठाएं. पूरे देश में हमने देखा, हर राज्य में चुनाव से पहले सही लोगों के वोट काटे जाते हैं और नकली और झूठे वोट बना के सरकार पूरी बेईमानी के साथ सिस्टम पे कब्जा करके चुनाव जीत रही है. वेस्ट बंगाल में भी यही हो रहा है. अभी सारे विपक्षी पार्टियों ने CEC को इम्पीच करने के लिए मोशन लाना चाहा, आपने उसको साइन करने से मना कर दिया. जब भी कोई मुद्दा हो जिसके ऊपर अपोजिशन वॉकआउट करती है, आप वॉकआउट नहीं करते हैं. पिछले कई अरसे से मैंने देखा, आपने कोई भी मुद्दा सदन में नहीं उठाया जिसमें आपने प्रधानमंत्री या भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार से प्रश्न किया हो. ऐसे डर की राजनीति कैसे? पंजाब के मुद्दे उठाने हैं, जहां से आप चुन के आते हैं, आप वो मुद्दे भी उठाने से घबराते हैं. अभी गुजरात में पार्टी के करीब 160 कार्यकर्ताओं को झूठे मुकदमों के अंदर उनके ऊपर FIR दर्ज की गई, कईयों को गिरफ्तार किया गया. आप उस पर भी चुप रहे. तमाम नेता हमारे जेल में थे. अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को बतौर चीफ मिनिस्टर सरकार ने एक झूठे मुकदमे में गिरफ्तार कर लिया. आप उस समय भी जो है देश में नहीं थे, आप कहीं जाके छिप गए. मेरा मानना ये है कि देश के लिए असली मुद्दे हमें निडरता से और साहस से उठाने पड़ेंगे और भारतीय जनता पार्टी की आंख में आंख डाल के आपको मुद्दे उठाने पड़ेंगे. वरना देखिए, आपके जो सॉफ्ट मुद्दे हैं उनसे उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. बल्कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी तो कल से आपको सोशल मीडिया पे सपोर्ट कर रही है. आप इसके बारे में सोचिएगा और देखिएगा कि आप कहां से चले थे और कहां आ गए, और देश को किन चीजों की जरूरत है और आप कैसे बेहतर कर सकते हैं.
All right, so that was the reaction we got from Saurabh Bharadwaj of the Aam Aadmi Party. Joining us on the broadcast right now is my colleague Pranesh as well. Pranesh, interesting statements have come from leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party. So according to them, when Raghav Chadha raised the issue of paternity leave, gig workers problems, crimes against women, traffic issues, telecom charges, expensive food at the airport, etc. The issues concerning the Aam Aadmi are actually not asli mudde for the Aam Aadmi Party. In fact, they are quite upset that he is not following the party line. He's not towing the party line when it comes to parliament and also when it comes to the party, because he was never openly seen celebrating Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia's release when they were given a partial clean chit by court.
You know, Hina, good morning first of all. Let me say something that will really sum up the sentiment that this story has evoked. As you're aware, politics is, so much about power and perception. And there's a, quite a famous book. It's called Laws of Power. And you know what the first law of power is? Never outshine your master. Raghav Chadha has committed the sin of outshining his master. Who is his political master? Arvind Kejriwal. And in politics, you have to, regularly keep talking about your political master, the patron, the leader. And that undisputed supreme leader of the Aam Aadmi Party is Arvind Kejriwal. Because Raghav Chadha has done what he has and is being talked about for, reasons, known to all of us. But there is a pattern and history to what has happened in the Aam Aadmi Party. Starting from the founder members of the Anna Andolan, that later became the Aam Aadmi Party. You had Prashant Bhushan, who was sidelined. He said, I'm, disillusioned. They've betrayed the idea of Swaraj. Then came Kumar Vishwas, Captain Gopinath, G.R. Gopinath. He was also one of the founding members. There were the others. So, there is a precedent to this. And more recently, Swati Maliwal, although, she remains, for all technical reasons, a member of the Aam Aadmi Party, but she has openly taken on Arvind Kejriwal and his, so-called rogue ways, according to her, because she is also a Rajya Sabha member. She doesn't want to, lose those benefits. Now coming back to Raghav Chadha, what Raghav Chadha is facing, he should have known this, because all the others, including Kumar Vishwas, he was no stranger to popularity. Kumar Vishwas was already a known figure when he joined Arvind Kejriwal, perhaps better known than Arvind Kejriwal himself. But Kumar Vishwas was sidelined, snubbed for a Rajya Sabha seat, and subsequently in 2018-19, he moved away. Raghav Chadha, over the last few years, and if our viewers, I'm sure, have followed his brand of politics, has been raising public issues, and which is why he's released this video in the, with the parliament as the backdrop to say that, look, I have been sidelined and silenced, according to him, because I've been raising public issues. That is one part of the story. Raghav Chadha has seen this happening to other leaders, leaders like Shazia Ilmi, who are now leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So Raghav Chadha should have known. In fact, you have a BJP MP on the phone line, and then we can, have this conversation again.
Well, we have, in fact, reactions coming in from Bharatiya Janata Party as well as Congress. Let's listen into those, then we'll go across to more reactions.
देखिए, आम आदमी पार्टी के अंदर कोई भी व्यक्ति अरविंद केजरीवाल के तानाशाही के सामने टिक नहीं पा रहा है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जितनी बड़ी बातें आम आदमी पार्टी को बनाने वक्त उन्होंने कही थी, उस पर अमल नहीं करते। जिस तरह मायावती जी की एक पार्टी है, अखिलेश यादव की एक पार्टी है, स्टालिन की एक पार्टी है, उस तरह आम आदमी पार्टी भी आम आदमियों की नहीं है, बल्कि अरविंद केजरीवाल की जेबी पार्टी। और जो उनके जेब में रहेगा वो उस पार्टी में रहेगा, और जो उनकी जेब से इधर उधर थोड़ा भी झांकेगा वो जेब के बाहर जाएगा।
And joining us on the broadcast is a Member of Parliament, Aparajita Sarangi. Ma'am, thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. What is your first reading of the entire situation as far as Raghav Chadha and Aam Aadmi Party is concerned? Raghav Chadha, after being removed from the post of Rajya Sabha's deputy leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, has asked, have I done something wrong? In response, Aam Aadmi Party has listed the issues that the party leadership had problems with, and they are saying that the issues that he raised were not really the asli mudde party wanted him to raise.
This is an internal matter of Aam Aadmi Party. We are nobody to comment on these kinds of things. However, I will definitely like to mention here that this reflects the immaturity of the party as such, Aam Aadmi Party. Because, you can't wash your dirty linen in public. If you had any kind of complaint against Sri Raghav Chadha, Honorable MP, he would have been called and they would have had discussion across the table. That would have been more mature on part of the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party. This is one. And number two, I am extremely convinced about the fact that Sri Raghav Chadha is an educated person and he understands what he says. And I'm sure he's going by his conscience. So if he does not go against the stance of the Bharatiya Janata Party or he doesn't speak against Honorable Prime Minister, I am sure he has right reasons for doing so. So I think instead of going like this against Raghav Chadha, I think Aam Aadmi Party would have reflected its maturity by sitting with him and actually reasoning him out. So I think this is not the way to handle things within the party.
Mr. Prajita Sarangi, this move has also ignited speculation and many are saying that this is probably a preemptive strike by the Aam Aadmi Party because there is speculation that Raghav Chadha could actually join the Bharatiya Janata Party ahead of Punjab elections.
I think it would not be correct on my part to kind of say anything in this regard. That will be the decision of Raghav Chadha, and of course there are many issues involved when a person joins Bharatiya Janata Party. And obviously, Bharatiya Janata Party has been doing such good work all across. We have our government in more than 19 states, and we are going to do very well in the elections that are coming. I am sure people would be attracted to our party because of its ideology and because of the working style of Honorable Prime Minister.
Do you think Raghav Chadha is going to be a gain for BJP ahead of Punjab elections?
Not at all. I will not be able to comment on it right now. It will be premature on my part to say anything.
All right. All right. Ms. Aparajita Sarangi, appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. Thank you, Pranesh, as well as Kritika, for your perspective as well. We will slip into a very short break right now. Coming back with lots more. Stay with us.